How to turn on notifications on someone's Instagram profile. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to turn on notifications on someone's Instagram profile. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. If you want to turn on notifications on someone's profile, just go to their profile. Here at the top right corner we need to find a bell and we should click on it. In appearance menu we can enable notifications on posts, stories, reels, videos and live videos. For live videos you can select receive all notifications, receive some notifications and turn off notifications. And now when this user posts new posts, stories or other content, you will receive notifications. And that's all. It was how to turn on notifications on someone's Instagram profile. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.